how to transfer all data from old to new Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to back up and restore your data using Google Drive or Samsung Cloud on your Samsung device. First, on your old Samsung phone, open the Settings application. Scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now, tap on Backup and Restore to access backup options. You'll see two main backup options displayed. Look for Google Drive and Samsung Cloud in the list. Moving forward, if you want to use Google Drive, tap on Backup Data under Google Drive. Make sure your Google account is signed in. Toggle on all the data you want to back up like contacts, calendar, photos, and app data. Tap Backup Now to start the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete. Alternatively, you can use Samsung Cloud for a more comprehensive backup. Tap on Backup Data under Samsung Cloud. Afterwards, select what you want to back up, including settings, messages, call logs, and home screen layout. Tap Backup Now to save everything to Samsung Cloud. Once the backup is complete on your old phone, take your new Samsung phone. Turn it on, and during the initial setup, you'll be prompted to restore data. Select Restore from Samsung Cloud or Google Drive, depending on where you backed up. Sign in with the same Google or Samsung account. Select the backup you just created from your old phone. Tap Restore to transfer all data to your new device. Wait for the restoration process to complete. All your apps, photos, contacts, and settings will be transferred to your new Samsung phone. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you transfer data from old to new Samsung phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.